Join the fitness revolution with the T4400 motorized treadmill. This treadmill is solid and built to last. Ample treadmill surface makes running or walking easy and comfortable. 6-point shock absorption system reduces the amount of joint impact while running or walking. Handrail buttons allow for speed, start, and stop controls. Multi-function backlit console displays all your essential workout information with convenient integrated smartphone and tablet holder. Receive more fitness details with the built-in Body Mass Index BMI calculator to help you determine your fitness goals. Increase or decrease your workouts with 9 integrated precision intervals. A powerful motor will reach speeds up to 9 miles per hour. Challenge your workout with 3 levels of manual incline. Built-in transportation wheels make moving easy. Easy folding mechanism with a soft drop system makes folding and unfolding efficient and safe. Get fast, get strong, and live healthy with the T4400 motorized treadmill by Sunny Health and Fitness.